In front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and tap on remove in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wanna restore it, just pinch your display, and when you see all of those options at the bottom, select Widgets. Now you need to scroll to find Google One. Hold search bar, drag it to the perfect place and let go. Then hit done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!